Hey everybody, it's Vita Jablan here, and I have a new workshop that I'm rolling out. It is Life Transition, Awaken Your Inner Phoenix. We're gonna cover some really interesting topics about how you can get more clarity, more confidence, and advocate better for yourselves in these uncertain times. Let's face it, a lot of us have had to reinvent ourselves. I know for me, the last 4 years have been a total reinvention. And I didn't have these tools that I received in my life. I don't think I could have made it. So I want to share with you how we can make that process even easier, and you can take massive action on what you really want to be doing. And if that is just going for a different job at a company and you need to brush up on some interview skills, or if it's that hobby that you've had, maybe photography, maybe baking cookies, and you have a little bit of analysis paralysis going on to get that launched, this is the workshop for you. I'm going to provide you the tools necessary so you can do what you want to do right now and take action. So join me for Life Transition, Awaken Your Inner Phoenix.